cosine function and inverse cosine function. The cosine function is a function with R as its domain and closed interval -1, +1 as its range. We write y is equal to cos x and y is equal to cos inverse x, or y is equal to r cos of x to represent the cosine function and the inverse cosine function respectively. Since cos of x plus 2 pi is equal to cos x is true for all real number x, and cos of x plus p need not to be equal to cos x for 0 less than p less than 2 pi. For all x belongs to R, the period of y is equal to cos x is 2 pi. The graph of cosine function. The graph of cosine function is the graph of y is equal to cos x, where x is a real number. Since the cosine function is a period of 2 pi, the graph of cosine function is repeating the same pattern in each of the intervals closed interval -4 pi, -2 pi, closed interval -2 pi, 0, closed interval 0, 2 pi, closed interval 2 pi, +4 pi, closed interval 4 pi, 6 pi, and etc. Therefore, it suffices to determine the portion of the graph of the cosine function for x belongs to closed interval 0, 2 pi. We construct the following table to identify some known coordinate pairs for the points on the graph y is equal to cos x, where x belongs to the closed interval 0, 2 pi. Properties of the cosine function. 1. There is no break or discontinuous in the curve. The cosine function is continuous. Second, the cosine function is even since the graph is symmetric about y-axis. Third, the maximum value of cosine function is 1 and occurs at x is equal to etc., -2 pi, 0, +2 pi, and etc. And the minimum value is -1 and occurs at etc., -pi, +pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, etc. In other words, -1 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to 1 for all x belongs to R. Remark 1. Shifting the graph of y is equal to cos x to the right pi/2 radians gives the graph of y is equal to cos of x minus pi/2, which is the same as the graph of y is equal to sin x. Observe that cos of x minus pi/2 is equal to cos of pi/2 minus x is equal to sin x. Second, y is equal to a sin alpha x and y is equal to b cos beta x always satisfy the inequalities minus modulus of a less than or equal to a sin alpha x less than or equal to mod a, and minus mod b less than or equal to b cos beta x less than or equal to mod b. The amplitude of the period of y is equal to a sin alpha x are mod a and 2 pi by modulus alpha respectively, and those of y is equal to b cos beta x are modulus b and 2 pi divided by modulus of beta respectively. The functions y is equal to a sin alpha x and y is equal to b cos beta x are known as sinusoidal functions. Third, graphing of y is equal to a sin alpha x and y is equal to b cos beta x are obtained by extending the portion of the graph on the intervals closed interval 0, 2 pi divided by modulus of alpha and closed interval 0, 2 pi divided by modulus of beta respectively. The inverse cosine function and its properties. We know that the cosine function is not one-to-one in the entire domain R. However, the cosine function one-to-one on the restricted domain closed interval 0, pi, and still on this restricted domain the range is closed interval -1, +1. Now let us define the inverse cosine function with closed interval -1, 1 as its domain and closed interval 0, pi as its range. Definition 4.4. For minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, define cos inverse x as the unique number y in closed interval 0 comma pi such that cos y is equal to x. In other words, the inverse cosine function cos inverse from closed interval minus 1 comma 1 to closed interval 0 comma pi is defined by cos inverse of x is equal to y if and only if cos y is equal to x and y belongs to closed interval 0 comma pi. Note, the sine function is non-negative on the closed interval 0 comma pi, the range of cos inverse x. This observation is very important for some of the trigonometric substitution in integral calculus. Second, whenever we talk about the inverse cosine function, we have cos x from closed interval 0 comma pi to closed interval minus 1 comma plus 1 and cos inverse x from closed interval minus 1 comma plus 1 to closed interval 0 comma pi. Third, we can also restrict the domain of the cosine function to any one of the intervals etc. comma closed interval minus pi comma 0 comma closed interval pi comma 2 pi etc. where it is 1 to 1 and its range is closed interval minus 1 comma plus 1. The restricted domain closed interval 0 pi is called the principal domain of the cosine function and the values of y is equal to cos inverse of x comma minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 are known as principal values of the function y is equal to cos inverse x. From the definition of y is equal to cos inverse x, we observe the following. 1. Y is equal to cos inverse x if and only if x is equal to cos y for minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 and 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to pi. Second, cos of cos inverse x is equal to x if mod x less than or equal to 1 and has no sense if mod x greater than 1. Third, cos inverse of cos x is equal to x if 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi, the range of cos inverse x. Note that cos inverse of cos 3 pi is equal to pi. Graph of the inverse cosine function. The inverse cosine function cos inverse from a closed interval minus 1 comma plus 1 to closed interval 0 comma pi receives a real number x in the interval closed interval minus 1 comma plus 1 as an input and gives a real number y in the interval 0 comma pi as an output. Let us find some points x comma y using the equation y is equal to cos inverse x and plot them in the xy plane. Note that the values of y decrease from pi to 0 as x increase from minus 1 to plus 1. The inverse cosine function is decreasing and continuing in the domain. Note, the graph of the function y is equal to cos inverse x is also obtained from the graph y is equal to cos x by interchanging x and y axis. For the function y is equal to cos inverse x, the x-intercept is 1 and the y-intercept is pi by 2. The graph is not symmetric with respect to either origin or y-axis. So, y is equal to cos inverse x is neither even nor odd function.